So Mike, we get calls all the time from people who have been involved in a car wreck and they're trying to deal with the insurance company and they can't get the insurance company to pay the claim, to take care of their medical bills, to take care of their damaged car, and they're very frustrated and upset by the time they call us. Can you kind of explain why it is the insurance companies aren't doing what the people expect them to do?
Absolutely, and it's really a simple answer. The simple answer that you and I may not like, and certainly people that have been in a wreck don't like, is the insurance company is not in the business of really just trying to figure out what's fair and pay that. The insurance company doesn't evaluate claims based on what they think is fair. Instead, frankly, what they evaluate a claim based on what they think their risk is. Just like when they sell a policy on your house that insures the roof. What is the risk that you're going to have a hailstorm that's going to damage your roof? And that's not about what's fair, it's about what risk is. And so when the insurance company looks at your car wreck claim, they're not really looking at how bad you're hurt or fair. They're looking at what is the risk of your ability to prove how bad you're hurt. Okay?
And so trial.
At trial. And make them pay a claim. And so if they feel like there is a very good chance that they are going to have to pay, make up a number, $1,000, then they will settle the claim for $1,000. But if they think that you're hurt $1,000 and you just don't know how to put the pieces together to show it, and you can only prove 100, then they're going to offer you something under 100. And the simple fact is that many lawyers, quite honestly, don't know how to put the evidence together and prove your claim. And most people are completely lost. Sure. When they're trying to navigate the legal system and the medical system and all the insurance, not just the liability car insurance, but their own health insurance. And there's just a lot of pitfalls that go through, and the insurance adjuster for the car insurance company knows that, and that's what makes it hard to do on your own if you're dealing with a significant injury. Now, if it's just a bent fender and it goes to the body shop, that's fine. Those are usually pretty easy. But if you're significantly injured, it's pretty tough to try to navigate it on your own.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people don't understand is all cases that settle based on what the two opposing sides, the injured person and the insurance company, thought might happen at trial. So literally that's what both sides have to evaluate. Well, if you don't have an attorney, you have no idea how to evaluate what would happen with your case at trial. Looking it up on Google is not an accurate way to figure out what would happen with your trial. The insurance company knows. They keep lots of tables and statistics. They keep up with verdicts that come down throughout the country, and they try to keep a finger on an idea of what would a claim like this actually end up yielding from a jury verdict? What would a court award for a claim like this? And they keep up with what evidence is necessary to actually prove those damages up. And so if you're sitting there saying that you're hurt badly, the insurance company knows that you have to actually prove it at trial. And they know how to do that, whereas you may not know how to do it.
Right, and you hit on a really good point I want to kind of emphasize is they not only know based on your medical treatment and the liability facts what the case may be worth with a lawyer. They know what your case is worth with a good lawyer versus maybe not so good a lawyer.
That's true.
And what it may be worth if you don't have a lawyer at all. And quite frankly, they are not going to offer you the same money to settle your claim if you do not have the professional help to make those steps and prove exactly how much your claim is worth.
That's a fact.